In this video, you'll learn how to run an Earth Day giveaway that drives brand engagement while making a difference to the planet. Earth Day is the perfect time for your business to raise environmental awareness and show your commitment to sustainability. A giveaway is a great way to spread the word about the cause. You can support environmental issues while reaching people interested in your products or services. To run a successful giveaway, picking the right tool is key. This tool will be your base for creating, managing, and promoting your campaign. When choosing one, think about how easy it is to use, what features it offers, and how well it works with other systems. In our opinion, RafflePress is the best WordPress giveaway plugin. It's user-friendly, integrates directly with WordPress, and lets you create any giveaway without code. To grab your copy, you can head over to RafflePress.com at the website or click the link in the description below and click on the Get RafflePress Now button. You're going to select the account that makes the most sense for you, and once you have an account set up, go ahead and click on Login. You can download the plugin and install it. If you need help with the installation, please follow the link in the description below for how to install RafflePress. So here I have a clean installation of WordPress and I have RafflePress installed already. Let's go ahead and create this giveaway for Earth Day. So under RafflePress, let's go ahead and click on Add New. And at the top, RafflePress will ask you for a giveaway name. I'll just call mine Earth Day Giveaway. You can call yours whatever you wish. And next, it wants you to select a template. For example, if your main goal is to grow your email list, you could select the Grow Your Email List template. If you want to do a pre-launch campaign, you could select this one. If you want to grow your Facebook page, etc., you can select the best option here. For us, we're just going to select the classic giveaway and we're going to click on use this template. Now we can see the RafflePress giveaway builder. On the left-hand side, we have details, actions, design, and settings. Let's go through these. First off, we have the details where we have the contest itself here. We can build out the visual side of what this looks like and the details of the giveaway. Let's go ahead and click right here on the title and we can see that we can modify the title, the description, and the image. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, great. Now we have a name for our giveaway and we have a description. We can go ahead and select the image that we want to use. Next, we can go ahead and upload an image for this giveaway. For this example, I actually created an image using Midjourney, which is an AI prompt. So you can create one in Discord prompts, or you can use a different program for AI such as DALL-E, or you can use a website such as unsplash.com or one of the other free image websites where you can download images. We're going to click on Select Image, and I'm going to upload a file right here. I'm going to drag and drop my photo right here, and you can see that it's being uploaded. We'll click on Choose Image. Here I'm going to click on Done Editing. There you go. You can see the title, the description, and the image itself. Next, on the left-hand side, we have the start and end times. So we can click on the start date and the end date and the time itself of when you want it to start and end and the time zone. Next, on the left-hand side, let's click on Actions. And the actions are how the person will actually enter the giveaway. Right now, by default, we have Facebook, follow us on X, and visit us on Instagram. If you want to remove these, you can simply click on the trash can beside these. You can also edit the way that they look or the text by clicking on it. You can see it updates on the left-hand side here. I'll just go ahead and remove all these, and we'll click on Actions, make sure we're on this side. Then you can go through these and select which ones you want to use. So for example, if you want them to join an email newsletter, you can click here and enter this here, and then put in the details. So the title, how many points it's worth. So for example, if they enter and you put 2, they'll get 2 entries for this specific contest. I'll just leave this to 1 for now. You can have a trigger on sign up. So if you click here, you can have integration where they will have their email sent into one of these third-party email marketing services. So for example, if you use MailChimp, it'll add their email to your newsletter in MailChimp. You can also make it mandatory. You can display an opt-in confirmation checkbox. You can have the description for this here, as well as also have an integration at the bottom. To add more actions, simply click on Actions, and you can add as many of these as you like. Okay, great. I added a few more here. Once you're ready, you can click on the Design section on the left-hand side. Here we have the layout. Currently, it's header, text, and image. You can switch this to put the image at the top. And we have fonts here available. These are presets that you can select and go through, whichever one works the best for you and your design. We also have the button color here. So if we click this, it'll change the use your email color. So it's like maybe a lighter green color here. And we have the page background. So you can use a solid color or you can use a background image. We go ahead and click on the background color. We can click and change this to match the style of the design. You can use maybe a green or a blue or whatever works for you. Once you're done with this section, we can click on Settings on the left-hand side. We can go through these quickly. Here we have the general settings. Here you have your giveaway name. Right now it's just called Earth Day Giveaway. You have a page permalink. So if you want to host this on a specific URL on your website, you can put that URL right here. So for example, if I put Earth Day, this is how they will be able to access this giveaway. We can hide the total entries if you like. You can show the winners if you like. You can limit the signups per IP to 3 signups per IP address. You can also activate the remote address header for checking IPs if you like. Down here, we have the RafflePress link if you want to show the link to RafflePress to help support the plugin, and you can join the affiliate program. We also have the giveaway rules here. We have a rules generator template. So if you need help with your rules, you can click here, enter in the information for the contest itself. I'll just quickly add some information here so you can see, and then generate rules. And here you can see a template that was added. Please make sure that you're following all of your local laws regarding giveaways to make sure that you're compliant. On the left-hand side, we have automation, which we recommend using Uncanny Automator. It's the #1 automation plugin for WordPress, and you can do some pretty neat things with this. For example, if someone registers for the classic giveaway, then you can have them email a coupon to them or join a Facebook group or do all kinds of things. So you can click on Install Uncanny Automator here to check it out and experiment. On the left-hand side, we also have email verification if you want to confirm their email. We have success tracking for onload and conversion scripts. We have success redirect, so after they join, you can enable a successful redirect and put the URL right in here. You have social login, so if you want to have them log in by Facebook, you'll need a Facebook app ID here. You can click on the link to find out how to get that. We also have GDPR if you need to be compliant with this. So you can turn this on and paste in your GDPR consent text. We have the reCAPTCHA here as well. You can enable the invisible reCAPTCHA. And here you'll need a site key. You can click on the link up here in the text to get that site key. We also have webhooks for advanced users, so you can turn these on. You can create new webhooks with the request URL and the headers and the format. Once you're done with all of the settings here, let's go ahead and save this. And we can click on the Publish tab here at the top. There's 3 different ways to publish. There's the WordPress block and the WordPress shortcode. These are very similar to each other. The third option is the giveaway landing page. And this is the URL that we put in the settings earlier. If we click View Page, we can see the actual contest, and it's live right now. So at the top, you can see the URL. You can just simply copy and paste this and share this on all of your social media so that all of your viewers and your followers can enter the contest. So here we can see there's 19 days left. We have our image, we have the background color, the title, the description, how to enter, and there'll be more ways to enter as well after they finish the first step. And there you go. You're all set with the standalone page that you can share. You don't have to do anything else. If you want to include this in an existing WordPress post or page, you can use the WordPress block or the shortcode itself. So for the shortcode, let's go ahead and actually copy this. You can click this, or you can highlight it and right-click and copy. Again, let's just save this one more time just to make sure, and we'll close out of here. And now we can come over to posts or pages. This works exactly the same way. So you can do it the same way. Just click on all posts. We can see there's a test post here called Hello World. Doesn't matter what the post is. We can click on edit, and inside of the post itself, you can do the WordPress block. So if we do forward RafflePress, you'll see it pops up with RafflePress. We can just select the giveaway right here. So Earth Day giveaway, and it'll embed this contest directly into your post or your page. Then you can simply update the page and then view it. And here you can see it's just the default WordPress theme, but we can see that the actual contest or giveaway was embedded directly into this post. So you can place this anywhere on your website for the posts and the pages. If you want to use the shortcode instead of the block here, we just do the exact same thing, but do forward shortcode. We can use this, and then we just paste in that code that we copied earlier. You go ahead and update this and view the post, and you can see it's the same result. And there you go. That's how to run a Earth Day giveaway in WordPress the easy way. Hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and check out these videos to learn more about RafflePress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.